Good morning. I'm here at McDonald's having breakfast again. I must see my doctor today for my tumor marker, my checkup every 6 months. So while waiting for the time, because I need to be in the hospital by 10 o'clock, but I'm out 7 o'clock together with my grandchildren as they go to school. And my daughter going to the office, so I ride along with them. So I dropped by here at the mart for my breakfast because I didn't have any breakfast at home. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. So I am here at McDonald's. This is the nearest access to the hospital. The 24 hours McDonald's. I have no choice but to come here and have breakfast. That is always my breakfast with coffee and my favorite burger. That is the food available here. No choice. That's life here in the Philippines. This is McDonald's here. This is a 24-hour McDonald's. And I love hanging up here while waiting for my doctor. There you go. I'm waiting for the time. Just waiting for the time so I can go and see my doctor. Need to see my doctor every 6 months for my tumor marker. This is my life routine here in the Philippines. As a colon cancer survivor, I must always have to visit my doctor for my safetyness. Otherwise, because I'm a colon cancer survivor, it's important to visit the doctor every 6 months, as I was instructed, and every 2 years for my colonoscopy, intestinal check-up too. It is every 2 years, and later after 3 years, and later after 5 years. But for my tumor marker, that is every 2 months. So that is life being a senior with a colon cancer. Anyway, I'm a survivor. I survived. I had my surgery last August 2021 during the pandemic. I survived. I got sick of COVID two times, but I still survived. God still wants me to survive, so I am very thankful. Life must go on. I always try to be careful with my food. I'm not allowed to eat pork, red meat, but sometimes I can't help, but I just taste it. Not like before that I really eat plenty of red meat, because my father is carnivorous. He was the one who taught us to eat meat all the time, almost every day. It's our family history. We eat so much pork, beef. Always with meat every day. My father cannot survive without meat. Maybe that's how I got my colon cancer. We eat too much red meat. So now I'm just waiting for my doctor. That I dropped by here at McDonald's first for my breakfast while waiting the time because it's too early for me to go to the hospital. It's just only 2 minutes drive from this McDonald's restaurant. Just 2 minutes drive to the hospital, but I dropped by here because I prefer to stay here for a while waiting the time. Because I ride along with my family this morning on their way to the school, and my daughter going to the office. So I am here having my breakfast. Life must go on. I am now 69 years old, and the coffee is not also very much allowed to me because I have insomnia, but I will just drink half of it today. I will not drink all this coffee because I have insomnia. I hardly sleep at night. I will drink lots of water after eating this one. After drinking this coffee. We have in our family history cancer because my aunt, the sister of my father, had breast cancer. So me, I had this colon cancer, but I'm glad that I survived because it was only stage 2 when I felt the pain in my tummy. So I waited 3 days, it's still the same, the pain. After 8 days, I couldn't bear the pain, so I went to see the doctor, and that's how I was diagnosed with colon cancer. So my doctor didn't wait long, and he prepared me for the surgery. In 2 days time, I had my surgery. In 2 days, he already said I will have my surgery. So thank you, Lord, that I survived. It's good it was detected in stage 2. So I'm very thankful that I still survived. Otherwise, if I reach stage 4 or stage 3, it's a little bit complicated. I'm very thankful that it was detected stage 2. I always thank God that I survived this. So, life must go on. It's good that I don't have diabetes. Otherwise, it's more complicated when I take my medications. I have my hypertension, but at least I take my medicine every morning. Not very high, but I must be very careful too with my food. Thanks for watching, guys. Now I will continue my breakfast. Bye-bye.